This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. As you can see, I've got nothing for the power seat. I checked both fuses. Those were okay. And what I found was, if you pull under here, you'll find the zipper to the back of the seat. And if you open the one, this wire here was disconnected from the lumbar. So this clip here. So I'm going to plug the wires back in, clip it, check my fuses, and see if it works. Alright, I got this reconnected. I put the green on the left side. Green wire. And I had to change the fuse. This is what you're going to be looking for. 7.5A. And it is the micro 2. And the fuse that you need to replace is all the way up in there. Hard to see, I know. But when everything is said and done, I have full control again of my seat. So once again, check that lumbar wire in the back of the driver's seat.